Yeah, send it, bro. Good morning, YouTube. You guys remember I got a bet with J-Rock today, and the car ain't even finished. It's midway through the day.
What's the bet?
It's midway through the day. It's like 1 o'clock. I don't see a running car. You got like 3 hours until I get my money. I think we bet what, like $100 or something, or lunch.
I think you lost already.
Ain't no way.
I think you lost already.
I ain't lose.
You already put a power wire on.
Hey, $100 to everybody in the shop, right? This was literally, you're just in time, bro.
Am I just in time?
This wasn't even fun.
I want to see something.
Just in time.
Oh, the harness ain't under the car. We got terminals on today. We got upper coolant hose.
Brake lines are done.
Brake lines are completely finished. E-brake cables?
Done.
Ain't no way.
Even the covers on. I even helped out the interior guys with it.
Oh, he got the cables in. And he got the center console in too. I see ignition still. We gotta put ignition on. Steering wheel.
That car's running, baby.
I don't know.
You want to tell him about the valve cover?
No, you tell him about the valve cover. What happened? Be straight up. What happened?
So I was bringing the lift down, and Ahmed wasn't paying attention. And the fucking motor mount right here scraped the fucking valve cover. So don't mind the dirty valve cover. I'm gonna get it fixed.
Damn.
Shit happens. It's alright, you know. Ain't no hard feelings.
Yo, we had a huge list left on this car.
What was Jared complaining about last week too?
What was he complaining about?
It's kind of hot in here, right?
Yeah, he did. He said it was hot in the
I had
shop.
to cool my bitch down.
You have to cool him down. Oh, boy, got him an AC. Yo, I just want to know who the hell did the HVAC job though?
My boy does HVAC, yeah.
Who did that though?
Who you think? I'm surprised.
I take care of him, right? It's supposed to be 90s all week long.
I'm surprised he ain't spray painted the fucking door black though.
I honestly am surprised he didn't spray paint the cardboard. Yo, what's left? Ain't none left?
Honestly, we're waiting for the tuner.
You ready? Oh, we can't.
It's got big injectors.
Oh shit, we don't got a map on the ECU. It looks like it's ready to fire. Like it looks.
Exhaust is up.
What happened to the harness?
You should give it a try, right?
No, I'd say wait till Jamie gets here.
I was ready. A screwdriver.
Oh, a screwdriver? I mean, we got time. What is it, like 1 o'clock?
Check for leaks.
Yeah. Oh, I'm at the pump's not plugged in.
See? You guys got the fuel pump disconnected.
Okay, we have the cover on.
It might fire up though. The computer for this car is the same one that we pulled out. Yeah, it might actually start up. Matter of fact, let's try to fire it up. I guess we'll try to start the first try right here, right now, on camera. We're gonna plug the fuel pump in. Actually, I gotta get a dipstick, so I'll be right back. Try fuel pressure. That shit's at 60. Nah, not in square. That's just the fuel going to the rail, just pretty loud.
That hubcap pump, huh?
Yeah.
Can you give it a try?
Yeah, fuck it, doesn't hurt, I guess. Send it. Yo, J-Rock, cross those fingers, bro. Oh, the headlight just kicked on. Wipers are on.
This is a self-check right here. Oh, there's no oil.
Yeah.
No, let it be gas because I can't put the gas in.
I didn't fire yet. I'm about to lose some.
That's already $50 right there.
So we just wait till Jamie gets here?
Yeah. Can everybody get paid on camera?
I left my wallet at home today. Yo, when I can...
You were confident in us. And what time is it right now?
It is.
This is real shit right here happening.
1:53.
1:53 and it's already done.
I'll give it to him because I came in this morning and I was like, yo, Jarek, what happened to the exhaust? Like everything was pretty clean. And the exhaust is up, brake lines are on, e-brake cable, everything's pretty much finished.
Oh, baby.
Brake fluid. We got the adapter for the master.
I know one thing though, the clutch ain't bled. The shit went straight to the floor.
Yo, how long it took us?
We were still saying it was gonna be like 2 weeks.
Wait, my question is, why do you keep saying us? Because you told the camera.
I said it in the trunk, bro.
What did you do on this build?
I painted the back.
Oh, you just said
remember he said he staged his little area and he was,
I didn't stage that.
Like, watered his arm.
I didn't stage that shit. So, yo, what brand X-Bar is this? Thing looks pretty good. You guys gonna powder coat it blue? He said no? You gonna keep it polished?
You need some bling in there.
I don't know. I think blue. I think I should powder coat it blue. You guys gonna powder coat the gas tank, the fuel cover. And still we got no seats. I don't know. I'm not a fan of the turn down. I think we should leave that shit open header. Like, you know, a full race car.
Isn't that what we're gonna do?
I say we should.
Didn't we say we're gonna make like a little turn down?
We should. I don't know.
I don't like that.
I don't know. I don't know how I feel about it yet. We'll just wait till, I guess we'll wait till the dyno so we can hit hood exit. Hood exit would be great. If we get the flames, shit'll be insane. So we're gonna wait for Jamie to get here. We're gonna try to put a map on it, idle the car, bleed the coolant, and then get the valve cover powder coated. We got the nitrous bottle here already. We're gonna get that powder coated, put an overflow, and try to fit this front bumper in the carbon lip, and then get the car on the floor, bleed the brakes, and give it alignment, and then pretty much ready for the dyno after that.
Yeah, just a clutch.
Yo.
The brakes already bled, bro.
Yo, what size jet?
I'll tell Jamie the day that we're strapped up on the dyno.
Can we know?
I'll tell you after.
Okay. I'm with it. And then the windshield guy will be here tomorrow. The body will be pretty much complete. We have the other spoiler. I'm going to test fit it probably maybe before the dyno just to get you guys' opinion on that. I don't know what we're going to do yet. And then like I said, we're still waiting on seats. So I'm going to have to just throw in maybe one of my Recaros for now just to get it on the dyno. And then when we find seats, I'm looking for blue Recaros. So if anybody out there has blue Recaros, hit me up. Even if you're far, I'll pay to get them shipped. So they call me Young Marsh Tuning, baby.
What do they call me? So I heard you do tuning and Jamie does fab now.
J-Rock Marsh. We had Jamie, we just went on team view with Jamie. Jamie uploaded a base map in here, set the TPS, figured out the injector size. This thing fire up. Did I lose the bet? Let me hear it. I want to hear that I lost the bet.
Yeah, I want blue faces.
Blue faces?
I don't want no singles.
You think it's gonna start up?
Come on, baby. Does she got a clutch bypass?
No, we need to pull. We didn't even bleed the clutch yet. How's that training? Shitty ass valve cover. Yeah, send it, bro. I lost the bet. It is what it is. No, don't turn it off. Give me a quick grab, because I don't know how I feel about this exhaust yet. Damn. I don't know, it's a little bit too raspy for my liking, but I might like it when it's on spray. So.
That shit gets that fucking backfire. That shit's gonna sound real good.
Damn, it is what it is. I'm happy that the car's running overall. I lost the bet, but yo, you fucking killed it today. I give you that.
We killed it.
No, you guys, you fucking killed
5% of it.
Yeah, I killed 5%. Windshield guy definitely be here tomorrow. Waiting on like small like odds and ends. Hoping to get it on a dyno really soon, but we need to get seats.
I know where some at. We got what, 4 days to anniversary.
Yeah.
This car needs to be done by then. So I think you got no choice, and we need to just go get those seats and put them in.
I might do it. And he's talking about the seats out of Fast Guy's car. And maybe I'll put some different seats in his car. I have blacker cars out of my car. I don't know what I'm gonna do with, but I don't know. Yo, tell us the situation what happened with that X-Bar, bro.
Where's the interior, guys? This isn't my job description.
Nobody's here, bro. This X-Bar does not fit.
We had to like, I don't know if they just assembled it wrong, but we had to basically flip the X-Bar and put the brackets in, but they don't want to go in either.
That's not
and come here, let me show you something. So Ahmed, when he put the interior in, right? It was so nice to mark the holes for the seatbelt where the X bar goes. And check out my man's holes. They don't even line up.
Yo, my boy needs,
that's why he left.
My boy needs glasses. I don't know if this X bar is gonna go in the car yet. So we're missing X bar seats. We're gonna bleed the brakes, bleed the clutch, and pretty much good. I think it's set to give the car an alignment.
Still gotta wire nitrous up too.
And wire the nitrous up too. But are you gonna set it by switch or ECU? ECU, mile an hour.
From ECU, yeah.
Drop in the comments, what size shot do you think his ass put in? Because he's driving. I mean, I feel like he put a real hefty shot in here. I feel like this thing's gonna make over 400, and then when it makes that, he's gonna be like, I told you guys.
I don't know. I might have busted out the drill bits too a little bit. Open them shits up.
All right, boys, pretty much end of day here today. Honestly, I can't believe that the car is running. It's like too soon for me, because usually it takes a little bit longer, but everything went together like pretty smooth, except this X bar. This X bar did not go together that great. We're gonna try to figure that shit out tomorrow, but the car is running. So my show is in like 4 or 5 days. I'm gonna try to get this shit buttoned up and to hit the dyno. I'm gonna, maybe if I have to, I hit the dyno during the show, but I'm actually super excited to see what this car makes for power. Hopefully it makes over 400 horse. I really don't know what size jet is in here. JR's gonna surprise us, I guess. But the car's pretty much complete. I'll give you guys a quick once over. The speed factor area looks super good in there. We did the AN lines, super nice. Nitrous kit is tucked under there. We still have to get the bottle powder coated. I think they sent it out today. Bottle warmers there, brackets are up there. But I got the valve cover getting recoated now. Got the battery tie down up there also. OEM Honda battery. This thing is ready, pretty much ready for the rollers. Fuel lines set up. JR did a lot of work today. Brake lines are all bled. Clutch line is bled. Just waiting on seats. So I'm gonna steal Fast Guy seats for now to get this car like on the rollers. But like I said, I'm looking for a blue set of Recaros. But car came out. Honestly, I'm happy with it. It's not like a full like type of show car, but it's a Civic, 400 horse. Not gonna be the greatest show car condition, but for what it is, it's fucking awesome. Like, it's still a show car, don't get me wrong, but not a bad build. Just have to get an ECU mount. And then shift knob is over there. We got a hybrid racing one. Like I said, full exhaust stainless. I wish I could put it up in the air to show you guys, but you guys get the gist. That's the nitrous line and this shitty X bar. But see you guys. Hopefully next video is the dyno. So see you guys then.